So what is the function of LS? This will start.
See, it's like a mesh.
Okay.
The flow going inside the mesh, going back. If this mesh closed by solids, definitely the water will go up. So it will go to up. That means the machine should start to remove the solids. So it will go at high. At high level, okay, this is now screen need cleaning. So again, like screen should remove the solids. Okay, if it is still working and the flow is coming high, to high, that means you have an issue with the machine.
Provision and standby.
Yeah, standby.
Then this will shut down and standby will start.
Standby system.
Cleaning and everything will happen.
501.
Provision for cleaning is provided.
But there is
Provision of cleaning.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is there.
and when
this one.
Yeah, so no,
when this happens, then the corresponding SG401A will close.
Yeah. And the other will start.
A and B is closed.
This is good provision. And maintenance provision is there, so no concern. Can you please explain?
Okay.
You write on the phone.
Kya?
Write on.
See, this machine, like screen, like mesh. So that one close with the solid. What's happening with the water? Up. So this machine will work in the level. So if the level coming to the high, that means there's a solid. It should be clean. So it should run. So then the level should go down inside the inlet chamber. Once it go to the LSL low, stop the machine. Now, if the machine is still working and there is no cleaning, again, that water will exceed LSH, it will go to LS high.